In this video, we will discuss creating a pipe network from objects. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file creating a pipe network from objects.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides tools for creating pipe networks from existing AutoCAD objects. Let's examine this functionality. In our drawing, what we have is a feature line with the exact invert elevations at each of the locations where a structure would be. To create a pipe network from this object here, navigate to the Create Design panel, Pipe Network, and then Create Pipe Network from Object. We'll go ahead and select our feature line. When you do so, you'll notice it is showing you the way that it is flowing. If this is not okay and it needs to go the reverse, you would simply click on Reverse. This direction is okay, we'll go ahead and click OK. We'll call this network Existing Storm Sewer. We'll make sure we have the Storm Sewer Existing network set. For the default pipe, you can set this to whatever one you want to. You can then change them afterwards to the pipes that are actually in the ground. We'll leave it set to 12-inch RCP exist. For the structure, the same thing. We'll go ahead and use an existing drainage manhole, but you can later change them to the correct structure that exists in the parts list. If you want to change the layers, you can change the layers right here. For now, we'll go with the defaults. You do want to apply a surface name, so that way the rim elevations can drape to this surface. The surface we have in this file is a finished grade surface that is a combination of the existing ground and the proposed surfaces. For the alignment name, this is up to you, but this would be for labeling if you want any kind of station offset labels to call out the existing alignment. We will toggle on Use Vertex Elevations and make sure that you set this to invert. Notice how Civil 3D gives you the options to define any of the vertex elevation references. Note that if you do not use the vertex elevations, it'll use the current rules defined in the parts list to drape the network across the surface. You will then have to edit the invert elevations to the correct elevations. We'll go ahead and click OK. And here is our network. As you can see, we have the drainage manholes set here, and the invert elevations are there as well. To quickly verify some of the elevations to make sure that they're there, you can simply select an object and hover over the grip, and notice in the drawn coordinates, it'll actually update with the X, Y, and Z. If you'd like to see this in a profile, let's go ahead and do that real quickly. We'll select one of the drainage manholes, and we'll navigate to the Alignment from Network option in the Launchpad panel. What Civil 3D is asking us is to select the next object where you want to end this alignment. We, of course, want to end it at the last structure. Select that object, press Enter, and now you are creating an alignment that will follow this pipe network. We'll pick a style of Basic. We want no labels to be applied, and we do want to make sure we have this toggled on to create Profile and Profile View. Click OK. And what we want to do is we want to add in the finished grade surface so we can see that surface as a point of reference for the pipe network. We'll go ahead and click Add. There's our surface profile. Let's click on Draw on Profile View. Make sure we have our profile view style set to No Grid Pipe Network. If we click on the Profile Display options, let's scroll to the right and make sure we set the labels here to No Labels. We don't want to label the finished grade surface, as it'll label every single vertice where it crosses a tin leg. Click OK. And just to verify what's happening, it's going to actually simply plot these pipes and structures in our profile view. Click Create Profile View, and let's go ahead and place it somewhere above here. And here is our completed pipe network in the profile view, and you can basically see what's going on here. Now, of course, at the end here, we do not have a drainage manhole, but we actually have a wing wall. We will discuss changing parts in greater detail in the Edit Pipe Network video. But for now, let's go ahead and zoom into this part here, and we'll go ahead and select it. And it's pretty simple. You simply navigate to the Swap Part tool, select your structure, and then select the actual object that you want to replace it with. Click OK. And now you can use the grips and a little bit of O-tracking to simply line it up the way that you want it to be. You'll notice that this updates in the profile view as well automatically because, of course, it's dynamically linked.